Hey, go through.
Turn right on First Avenue.
What did Bixby say?
Head south on
This is not Bixby, this is Siri. Bixby have for old people phone, is it? Whoa!
My life could have worse. So me a search for happiness.
Go on, go on, go on. Snowing. Watch your step, watch your step.
No, it's snowflake.
Yeah. Come. Come. Come in. Alright, my boss. You ready for the road?
No, he's not. He's buckled in.
Sit down. We buckling on them. Start the vlog in front. No.
You didn't get anything for your ride when you're riding to Jamaica?
Which ride?
You didn't get anything to put up here?
Like what?
Like a holder?
Yes, pa. You ready, my boss?
Mommy, if you go first, go to barber shop.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll do this. Road sign.
Yeah.
So I head out by the barber shop again.
I know, I was about to do that, but I don't know if you want me to.
Oh, there's a fire truck.
Which fire trucks?
Right over there.
Oh yeah, it's on the way over the other side of the
Oh,
highway.
good job, Jameer.
Yeah, man. So that's how things set. Got a barber shop and I want get the thing clean up, you see? Get back in our group with the black one, you see? So Jamie, where are we going?
Let's go to the barber shop.
Where are we going?
Go to the barber shop.
Yeah, you want to cut it and get a bad hairstyle?
Yeah.
Alright, my boss. May I have a get a bad man hairstyle? Up top. Do that. No camera for you? Eh? Yo. Big boss. Alright, I'm turn off the camera. Come on, turn off the camera. Come on. Bushman. Bushman, no, I'm going to find a camera. I'll find more. Find the nose. Cuma boleh je membahas. Dekat tadi. Alright. Right, nice and clean. Boss, I get the haircut. Nice and clean. So yeah, Jamir, we get a haircut, my boss. Nice and clean. We're gonna show when we reach in, or when we reach in. We're heading to Captain's Boil right now. So when we reach in this, we're showing all the hairstyle of Jamir fresh. Alright, I turn.
Make a right, yeah, make a right on Roslyn and then go straight on Salem.
Yeah, cause
make
see
a left
that
on
work,
Salem.
you just not talk. I know why. Captain's Boil right there.
Go find him.
The over here, so. You see me? So I got.
Then your destination will be on the
Turn
left.
left. Where's my left?
Turn left over the side, man.
You better not turn. Okay.
See that?
Oh, right here. Oh, let's park it right
So
there.
there, Captain's Boil. Long time
Your
you see one
destination is on the left.
Let's see parking. Okay.
I'll let you fix myself. But,
Yeah, we're in Ajax right now. I got a seafood place. I'm allergic to seafood, but I don't care.
nope, I'm on the banking.
Alyssa says she wants seafood, so you know, have a backup camera. Man.
I do, but
So
it's
use it.
because the angle I was on. I don't use a backup camera to reverse. So that's why I'm using it now. It's weird.
That's she way then. That's she way. Yo, that camera clean and at night time. Best investment. Get yourself a camera. Get yourself a camera, isn't it?
It's a little crooked, but
Best investment. Jamir, are you ready?
Are you ready to go eat lunch?
dinner.
Yeah, basically dinner.
Dinner!
Come and eat seafood. Come through.
Yeah, no!
Seafood.
Step up, step up, step up. Come, step up. Out here is very cold,
Yeah,
man.
give me a hand.
Go on. Go on with mommy, go on with mommy.
No, I want to hold your hand.
Oh,
Okay.
excuse me. Why is it not closing? What's wrong with your thing?
Alright, my boss. I know, sir.
Yeah. No, wrong side. Over there. No,
Come, Jamie. No, do another lesson.
What are you? Where are you bringing me, son?
No, do another lesson, my boss. It's okay.
Well, I guess we'll see it, right?
Come. Go through, go through. I don't know if it's not there now, I mean, can't eat.
Of course it is.
Jeez. How would this? Friend, walk on general.
Sunday
Yeah, get into it. You know, want to touch your backside. You don't mind the pan camera? Huh? You don't mind the pan camera? But you look nice, you're good. Yeah, you have to realize saying that. But yeah, let me stop this. Like a hairstyle, my boss. It's fresh. I put on the gloves. I'm a week. That man just a shit person told me.
Did you eat all your bagels? Did you
Really?
eat both of them? So Jamie was telling me the truth. You didn't eat both of them.
Me thought one and a half of the next time.
No,
I don't have sushi or no sushi.
it's not the glove.
I know what I want already.
You know what you want?
Yeah, buddy. I've been waiting to say thanks, honey. I know we haven't even anything, but I'm so excited. I'm happy it's with you too. I've always wanted to go with you. I wasn't sure if I could go with you.
Why?
Because
Cause me have allergy. Once me not eat it, me good man.
yeah, I was like, I want us. It's funny because I wanted us two to come here for my first time.
Yeah, once me not eat it, me good. That's it.
Mine?
That's Daddy.
Oh.
Remember, I know me can cook it, but me can't too hungry like that. You see me?
Yeah. You can get fish and chips. You can get fish and chips.
Feel like that now.
Guys, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. Were you guys all set to order the rest of your meal?
Just waiting on him.
Sure.
So another minute or two.
Where's your ham?
This fish and chips.
The fish and chips, is it just like the highest that you guys have?
It's just haddock. It's fried haddock, and it comes on a basket of fries.
You guys do it like, butter?
I'm sorry.
Is it like near butter?
Yes, it's already pre-battered and fried.
Okay, I'll have that. You say Cajun food, got that Cajun fries.
Yeah, it comes with Cajun fries.
Yeah. Can I have my fries like slightly well done?
Sure.
I'm gonna get
One
Shrimp?
fries and nuggets.
Wait, not your shrimp. Let me order first.
Yeah, I'll get the shrimp with
I want fries
Perfect. All right.
and nuggets.
Oh, you want fries and nuggets? Okay, good.
I'll take this out of your way.
You hungry?
Yeah.
You want to eat this morning?
I eat 2 and
3.
You eat what?
2.
You ate 3 waffles.
Thank you.
Okay.
That's so much.
Yeah, it's only $6 too. You have to blow it, okay? It might be hot.
That's so much food then came, my boss. Thanks a lot. No worries. Can I have one of your fries, please?
Remember, it's good to share. You don't say, you can say no, yes, but if someone asks you politely and like your daddy, you can say yes.
You don't have to say yes to me, but
Okay, yes.
yes, can I have one?
Okay.
Nice, thank you. Oh, you give me sauce too?
Yeah.
Nice. So I get it on a boat, you know? So I get it on a boat.
Oh, it's a
Like
peel,
the
right?
settings, yeah.
That's cool, yeah. Oh, there's corn that comes with it.
Oh, you have corn already. Oh, I guess.
I'm excited.
Excitement. Turn up.
Do you see that steam smell?
Huh? The excitement.
steam?
Turn up.
How do you eat shrimp? You know how?
Just piece off the head.
Oh, like that? Yeah. Do you eat the inside?
I don't eat shrimp.
What?
But you can't eat it, yeah. Just don't eat the shrimp. You don't eat shrimp. You're a shrimp lover. You always eat the
Should I scare him right now?
No, do that. I'm gonna make you
Hey, let me look at it. Can I show it to him?
Yeah, but not scare him.
John, look. Look at the shrimp.
It's okay. It's not a lie.
See,
Yes.
Show him again. Show him again. Let me see the reaction.
It's not crab, it's shrimp.
Show him again. Let me see the reaction.
Look.
You want to
It's
scare him
hot.
with it?
Gonna make it cool down.
How much shrimp do you get now?
It's
I don't
so
know.
scary.
It's scary.
Yeah.
It's way too hot. This is Mohammed's favorite place. He come here like,
Boy.
they come here like 3-4 times a week.
Wait, go over the side. I want
Here,
to
go
there.
here. When he was here, I spent like on buy crab every time you came. Crab. I mean lobster every time you came. It's like $54 for one crab and you get like 2, 3.
But listen to me. Yeah, work your money. Why not enjoy yourself? If you like something, just have it. Because you'd have buy something for somebody will make them feel good. So why you can't buy something for yourself to make you feel good?
Giving makes me feel better.
Alright, what's up? You see? That happened to me. But I have one passenger the other night and she said something interesting.
What's that?
Like, me tell her about, remember what happened? I tell her about the story with the youth who lost his wallet in the car game. They said, oh
what?
wow, the youth will lose his wallet in a car.
Oh, yeah.
She said, oh wow, so you got a nice tip, eh? And I said, no, actually, you know that I just told him it's okay. He was trying to give me all of the $65 that was in there. He said, okay, you should have at least take 20. I'm like, no, I was close by. So she said, okay, listen to me. I used to be just like you until my girlfriend, that's like both in girlfriend, no girlfriend, that's a girlfriend, a friend. Miss Anthony's friend looked on her one day and said, listen, you feel good when you give me stuff, right? I just say, yeah. But why is it that you don't want to accept it from me? When you don't accept it from me, you're robbing me of that joy of making it. You know what I'm saying? She has to basically she rob her of the joy of not having to give somebody something. So you say give it make you feel happy. What if you can make another person feel happy and you don't want to accept it from them? Yeah, I rob them of that joy of being happy.
Okay, so what does that have to do with anything with me?
No, I said overall, I said like now my people that offer me things before I say no.
Yeah.
It's okay, but stop saying no because that brother is so happy that I care about you wallet. You just want to feel. You just want to show so you appreciate it.
I get it.
I mean, I rob him after that when I said no to it.
Yeah, he's like, man, I feel bad. Like, like literally, I didn't think I was getting that money. He wouldn't take $1 from me.
Isn't it? So yeah, I robbed them off that joy.
True.
Can I tell you, driving down the road bridge and meet some people, some talk, and we really love, isn't it? Yeah, eat the boss. Look, so can I have one more fries? Please? Bruh.
Okay.
Tell me no and then you tell me okay after.
Can I put it on there? It worked.
Bite the shell first. When you squeeze the shell, the meat push out, right? You're going to eat the shell. Got somebody, she's a beauty, very special, really and truly. Take good care of me, like it's a duty. Right by my side, night and day. 2 fish? Alright, thanks a lot.
I didn't get my fries.
That time is a 2 fishy man, them give me.
I'm gonna take your friend to your nugget.
Alright, and then make your manage still in about.
Oh, honey, you didn't put my son of fish fries.
Don't hurt mine.
Huh?
I know some of mine.
I'll get some of yours?
Yeah, fries. You know, I get so much. 2 fishy man, them give me. Ready for this?
Whoa! Cool!
You said it's cool?
Yeah.
You wanna do it?
No? Yeah.
Let's try it.
I want to try it.
You gotta squeeze the lemon?
Yeah.
Still a lot of shrimp.
Nice, thank you.
Oh no, God, it got dirty. It's trying to go on.
Right there. Here you go.
Yeah, that was stop here, so we can really
enjoy.
Stop here, so we can really enjoy the food, is it? Up top. Alright, so finish up right now, heading home.
Yeah, my bro.
Red stripe, real thing, is it? This way, when you press play, it changes the color. Like that.
It's ours, close to pitch black.
When I say ours, then it's not ours. Somebody will borrow this one.
No, I mean like, the other one was ours, this one's yours.
And now should be people in place for. Yep. Like that, you know. Like that.
Let me get Chuck's big.
I constantly look on the screen. No, you can't talk to myself. Constantly look on the screen versus the lens, isn't it?
Come on, just sit down, please. Cause I don't know why you're talking about no chocolate egg.
Alright.
A bunch of chocolate if you go home.
Yard! tired, I want sleep.
Get to you, happy life, happy life. You have fever.